I'm not smacking like that.
I smack it down.
Right.
I like how they put a napkin in there for me. Hold my burger together.
Everybody talk back with another video. So
I don't like how y'all keep seeing me in this jacket. Like I always wear this jacket. I gotta take this jacket off. Y'all keep seeing me in this jacket.
So
I got a lot of jackets.
It's 2 o'clock. We just seen Boston leave. I said I'll get you a ride home. This man said, let's go to McDonald's. I said stop. It's 2 in the morning. You're not even hungry. Yeah. We go. Alright, we get burgers. Double cheeseburger and cookies max. This man's get 2 whole GrandMac meals, large, and non-chocolate chip cookies. Why?
Damn, I can't.
Why?
I paid for it, didn't I? It's my
Spent
money.
$20 at McDonald's at 2 in the morning.
I never eat McDonald's.
Stop.
Last time I went to McDonald's, Jeffrey.
Been a while. From my knowledge.
Jacket coming off.
I ain't never had McDonald's fries in about
They good, ain't they?
6 months.
Yo, y'all know this is the last bill till I start season 2 of $10,000. I gotta get back to shape, you know.
You never getting back to shape ordering 2 GrandMac meals, no sauce.
You over here putting stipulations on your burger instead of eating it how it comes. I know you ain't just capped me like that.
Yeah, I capped you. I capped you.
Jaw you.
I don't like back sauce.
I'll give you back sauce.
I don't like back sauce, so I ain't eating back sauce. Mac sauce give you back sauce.
Huh?
And I don't like my back saucy.
Oh!
I never had a GrandMac. I want to know if it's really as big as people say it is.
First of all, I know these are not my fries because my fries had more fries.
And these is mine.
So did you switch the fries without me looking?
You got more fries than me, so that's right. Why would I switch my fries to less fries?
That's how I better be. They salty. I just got my teeth cleaned today. Jeez, don't know if you can notice.
I need whitening. I need Shannon Sharp more.
Damn.
Teeth is pink.
I had to get a white glaze.
White wet paint.
White glaze.
GrandMac. Let's eat a cookie before a GrandMac.
All right.
Nobody start off with a cookie.
I don't stop with no cookies.
Let's start off with a cookie. You get boogie with a cookie.
Well, Jeff sit there and eat the whole cookie in one bite. Like a nut.
You know I do.
That's throwed on.
I do it every time. I want full chocolate experience.
Oh, first of all, get your hand from behind my seat. Like I'm a girl. What is going on? You ain't smacking the back of my head.
How you doing?
Whoa. Stop whip your ass. Try it again. Let's get you shot.
I can't put my head behind you. So if I'm parking, I can't.
Nah. You ain't never do it before, did you?
No, I'm good. I don't do that. You need to turn.
No.
Use my mirror.
No. Don't try me. I'll tell him again. Oh, you want to try a cookie? You grab your own pack, nigga.
You know these are fresh. Oh, they fresh.
They melty.
You know what I like to do. I rip the pack open.
I put mine out like a regular.
No, I don't like chocolate.
Oh, they melty. They melty.
They melty? No, see when you play it. Oh, they are melty.
I'ma make it, bitch, I promise. That's some
Let's drop them.
One cookie down. Hey, look at your hand. One whole cookie in my mouth. Back. In.
You like putting the whole cookies in your mouth, is what you like saying. Y'all heard it.
I'ma make it one day.
Jeff likes to put the whole cookies in his mouth.
Have some patience. Have some patience. I'ma make it one day. Have some patience. Bitch, that's a young little nigga. I knew I was one little nigga.
So anybody watching this, we at
So yeah, I'm about to start 10,000 Hours season 2.
I just came from the gym. Actually, the gym I go to is right. Yeah, we're on 52nd Street at the McDonald's. That's not. McDonald's was short staffed today. They're usually short staffed every day.
They short staffed.
The lady took her order, stopped mid order, next ball came on.
Yo, she was talking, I didn't know what she was saying. I'm like, yes.
Well, you wasn't like that.
I've been with the same nigga since day
Who's you
one.
smacking on, man?
What
are these onions?
What are you digging around in the burger for?
Make sure there's no mac sauce. I don't like no mac
So
sauce.
why it wouldn't be a Mac? First of all, they packaging burgers upside down.
Yeah, I noticed that too. I noticed that too.
About to go ahead back to the drive-thru and say something.
I'ma make it one day. Have some
Oh, wow.
patience. Have some patience. I'ma make it one day.
You're not
Have some
smacking
patience.
like that.
I smack it down.
You right.
I like how they put a napkin in there for me. Hold my burger together.
Listen, man.
Woohoo! You taking bites and all.
I'm picking up barehanded. I'm a man.
You can do what you want to do.
Oh, that is a big burger.
Hey.
That is a big. That's a two-handed burger. You out there? Hold on. I thought the GrandMac was gonna be a little baby back, a little bigger. That's a two-hand. You can't eat this with one hand. You got two hands for this. I got big hands. That's a 2X glove. I need two hands for my burger. Oh, this burger's so big, you gotta flop down and flop it around. You know, you gotta flop down and flop around. See, most burgers, you just, no, this burger, you gotta use the burger to lift your lip down.
What the hot twins say, bro? We gonna copy him one time. It's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail.
I'ma make it, bitch, I promise. Have some patience. Have some patience. Have some patience. I'ma make it one day. Have
But
some
we EBT.
patience.
Better than the hot twins.
We ain't no hot twins. We did the idea though.
Burger. It's good,
But we EBT.
but we not out yet.
Oh, how you drink the juice, Jeff?
My lips are sucked inward. You gotta get full suction on your straw.
That's full suction right there.
I want to be able to drink it and be out of breath.
Yeah. But be able to breathe at the same time.
Yeah. I want full suction on my straw.
And then in the end be like, oh, why'd I eat that?
Well, listen, I shouldn't be eating this.
Oh, that's your problem.
So now I gotta wake up and not eat breakfast. I got fun. You got whole large, like the burger. What? I like you.
He mad about you. What's up with him?
You good.
I don't know what you going through over there. You
So,
saying,
you know, I went to the gym today, and I already went to McDonald's when I left.
oh, so you ain't say that. So you double back.
Not on purpose. I went to McDonald's and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get a light.
He double back.
I'm gonna get a light meal. I thought I'm gonna get one burger or one chicken sandwich, 3 cookies and wrap. I went there, they didn't have to pick 2 for $2.50 no more. It was 2 for $3. I'm like, I don't really want to pay the 50 cents. But my dumb self got 2 whole sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffins. I thought that said 2 for $3, it really said 2 for $4. So I spent the extra $1 and I had 2 sandwiches. And now I'm back again eating the GrandMac a couple hours later. You ain't smacking nothing like that.
$10,000 coming soon, season 2.
You need to. You're getting big.
He think I care though.
We both getting big.
I lose weight like that though.
It's not hard for us to get back fit.
Yeah, it's never hard for me to lose weight.
It's hard for me to lose weight, but not to get fit.
What is your sense of fit?
Fit is having no back pain from standing up for hours. Like, sometimes I stand up and be like, my back hurt. I play ball and be like, my back hurt. I know that's from weight, but
No, when you sleep, somebody taking your back.
well, I sleep with my door locked now.
Yeah, because you came in before.
No, I had a dream. Somebody's rattling my door.
Right. And really, when it's battling your door, they're battling your door.
My rear entry door?
Yeah, it's
I
rare.
keep that door bolted shut.
No, that's not what I heard.
Well, it ain't about what you heard, about what is happening, huh? My back entry is bolted. Come on, come on, come on!
See, we needed that Sprite. It would have gave me a...
No! I know I didn't do that.
This man done dropped this whole patty. Burgers and all.
No, no.
Lettuce and all.
I caught it. My bundle's tilted now. I ain't nothing cooking.
What's up, YouTube Facebook? This damn drops.
We're back with another super.
It's sure.
Here we go. Look at the cookie. Look at the cookie. Look at the cookie. Oh.
That's a big nigga.
Try it. Try it.
How wide you gonna open up your mouth to get the whole cookie?
Not wide at all. Try it. Just try it. Try to deluxe it. Just try it for me one time. Please. I'm begging. Try the cookie one bite.
He thought he was talking to his girl. That's lost his damn mind. My lips kind of greasy.
Oh, see? Look at that.
Hey, how you doing, baby? My name Greg. Let me talk. Oh, so you gonna walk away?
I walk with some man with greasy lips too. What? Lips greasy. It seems like juice. That's why I don't drink juice. It seems like juice just drink like water, and it's like I paid too much, you know?
I'm gonna walk through like that. Hey, yo, big. Hey, yo. Let me holler at you. Hey, yo, let me get your number. Oh, let me get your number. Hey, how you doing? I said, baby, how you doing?
How you doing?
My name Greg.
That's good.
What's your name?
What's a common name?
Oh, Rochelle? That's foreign, Rochelle. How you doing, Rochelle? Where you from, Rochelle? Oh, no, I'm not talking about what street. I'm talking about where you from. What part of Africa do you hail from, Rochelle? Oh, you don't know Rochelle?
No, it's Rochelle.
Rochelle?
It's Rochelle.
Rochelle? Is that European Rochelle?
It's spelled Rochelle, but we're gonna say Rochelle.
Okay, Rochelle.
I'm not following.
Let me get that number.
I still call it Rochelle.
What's up with that number, Rochelle?
It's Rochelle.
Rochelle, I'm gonna ask you one more time, Rochelle.
It's Rochelle.
Okay, look, this was gonna happen, baby. You gonna give me the number right.
It's Rochelle.
Alright, but look, you gonna give me the number right. And then you sweet little honey dip, you gonna slide to the right. Because if you don't give me the number tonight, we gonna fight.
Alright.
Cause I'm gonna knock the pussy out like fight night. Hit it with a left, hit it with a right. I'ma knock the... But yeah. So, yeah. Yep. Yeah. It's happening. Well, this has been Greg.
This has been Jeff.
For BBT.
Yeah.
We out, motherfucker. Hold up. Don't end that yet. Because you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to kill him.
Oh, I forgot I had a cookie left. See, the man got 9 cookies.
Yeah.
He only ate 1.
6 of them for me.
I know. I was only eating 3. I didn't want 3. But I will. Eat one more cookie and leave the whole thing in your mouth. Throw it off.
Hey, how you doing?
It's a big man right there. He's so tall.
I feel like my knees gonna be ended instantly. Alright, yeah, that's enough of that. But that's it though.
Put the one cookie in. One cookie for the camera.
I'm not eating the whole cookie.
For the camera. Dog. I just asked you.
What is this supposed to mean? I'm supposed to do it?
Out. Out. Out.
That's funny. What you thought I was an animal?
No. Thought you was a nut.
Oh, mother, nut. Well.